Hello everyone and welcome to my real kitchen. Yeah, we're not at home. There's no fancy white brick backsplash behind me and microwave hanging off of the cabinets. There's a commercial electric convection oven behind me, counter, stove here, real gas, comes on, pilot, not a click little igniter like a barbecue has. You know what I'm talking about. So anyways, why are we here? Well, I'm going on vacation, and I need to get a couple videos shot. I don't have time to do them all at home, so we're going to do 1 to 3 over the next couple weeks here. I'll sprinkle them in where I need to. So we have the first, it's going to be the easiest two. I'm going to make, like the title says, a crispy chicken salad. It's going to be the easiest one just because I'm not sure how this process is going to get affected by me being at the restaurant versus the house where I have all day by myself to do what I want. So we're going to get into this real quick. Make up a delicious salad. We sell a lot of these here. I'm basically putting my kids through college on. Anyways, thanks for coming to watch today. I'm Executive Chef James MacInnis, and welcome to my kitchen.
Alright, so with any salad, we're going to get our ingredients prepped up first. Now, I'm padding the runtime a little bit on this video. You can see it's barely 6 minutes. We're going to be doing some of the prep. I'm going to show you some of it for the salad fridge at the restaurant. And I got some cucumbers out here. I got about 4 or 5. We start with our vegetable peeler and we do 4 peels on it to give them a little bit of a look. Then we slice them all on a bias. So for the day, I probably need, anywhere from 50 to 100 slices of cucumber. So that's why I got about 4 or 5 out there. I'm going to use my bench scraper, clean them off the cutting board, get them into an insert. We're moving into our tomatoes. That's another thing that we need for all of our house salads. Because every meal gets a a salad, you can upgrade to a soup. We also do Greek salad, so we have a lot of tomatoes and cucumbers going on. So anyways, we're taking the eye out, and then we're going to cut them up into wedges. Now, depends how big your tomato is. You might want to cut them into 3, 4, 2, 5. If you're not familiar, if you don't do a lot of vegetables, like if you're just getting into cooking, I've got a bunch of prep videos I shot when I first started. That way we could skip a lot of this stuff. You can go back and watch them and see how to peel tomatoes, how to dice tomatoes, how to cut onions. Moving along, this is a substitution this day. We're doing strawberries instead of apples. Strawberries work fine. Any fresh fruit really works fine on a salad like this. This is definitely going to be fine. It's going to be better with apples, but it's pretty good with strawberries. Now we're going to put our spring mix into our bowl, and now we're going to start garnishing it with our vegetables, like our cucumbers. No, like our tomatoes. I got that out of order. So we're going to put 3 wedges on there, then we're going to put in 3 cucumber in alternating patterns. So tomato, cucumber, That looks nice. You could go with half the lettuce if you wanted and put a boatload of vegetables in there. We're adding cranberries because that dried cranberries add a bit of sweetness and tartness. We're adding candied walnuts. Those pair really well with the apples and the cranberries. We're putting feta cheese. Now the feta cheese adds some saltiness that you're gonna want for the tomato and the cucumber. And it's feta cheese. It's just delicious. And there you have it. You can put raspberries on there, blueberries. It doesn't really matter. For the crispy chicken, did I show you today how to bread a chicken? No. Have I shown you before? Yes. I'll put up in the top a link to one of the videos that I've done. Probably I'll put up the chicken parmesan oven versus air fryer, because I'm pretty sure I show you how to bread there. And this is basically the exact same thing. So here you have it, our crispy chicken salad. And now let's hop over to where I taste this thing. Cut.
Alright, so I'm not going to pour the dressing all over it because I'm going to box this up and take it home to my wife. Well, oh, and that chicken's hot. Now, the feta cheese is going to add some saltiness. Now you like this sprinkle, like I like to pour sprinkles of salt right on my cucumbers and tomatoes. But if you grab a little bit of feta cheese on your fork at the same time, You want me to do that? Dipping in our homemade balsamic dressing. Pretty good. But where it really gets the added benefit here is when you start getting stuff all on your fork at once, like the walnuts and strawberries. Some of the cranberries. It's a real meal of salad. Definitely worth it for like a weekend lunch. We'll try and eat light during the week, maybe. Consider making something like this. Why don't you go down in the comments and let me know what you like to do with your salads. Anyways, for this week, I've been Chef James, and thanks for visiting me in my kitchen.